So ever since I posted that video, treating dandruff is a completely different story. Over 1 month ago, I have not been applying any sort of hair oil to my head or even the hair length for that matter. And do let me know how this hairstyle looks now that I have gotten my hair highlighted in the comment section. And by not applying any sort of hair oil to my hair or my scalp, I got to know two really important things that I want to tell you guys. So the first really important thing that I got to know is that not applying any hair oil to the scalp did not increase the hair fall rate. It actually decreased the daily hair loss almost immediately, and that is kind of hard to believe, right? Because if you guys are following me for some time now, you will know how much I love oiling my hair and my scalp and how often I used to do it. I oiled my hair and the scalp every time I washed my hair, and sometimes even before I washed my hair, especially the scalp and the hair ends. Back then I used to believe that oiling my hair is the thing that is preventing the hair losses, right? This is why I don't lose too many hair strands in a single day. Turns out that is not actually true, because it's been 1 month and my scalp hasn't seen a drop of hair oil of any kind, and still the hair loss is at its minimum. And for months now, ever since the monsoon hit, my daily hair loss has never been this low. It is really like I lose every day 5 to 10 strands. That's it, nothing more than that. That is because I'm not applying hair oil for some reason. That is, I don't know how it works, but this is what's happening right now. And do keep in mind, I'm not telling you guys that if you are going through a severe hair loss, just stop oiling your hair and that will solve the problem. Everyone has got a different body. This is what worked for me. And on the topic of hair loss, I want to address one more thing. If you've seen my videos 1 month ago, I had a really severe dandruff, right? And it may be that the dandruff was causing that hair loss. So I also changed my shampoo to the Man Matters Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, 1% ketoconazole. So my dandruff is also gone now, 90% gone. It is still somewhat there, but it's almost gone. So maybe the absence of dandruff is what's causing the minimize in hair loss. It may not be not oiling my hair, it may be that. But anyways, I am using the Man Matters Anti-Dandruff Shampoo right now and no hair oil. All I apply to my hair length right now is this Matrix serum when my hair gets like 70% dry after a wash. And that's it. I don't apply anything to my scalp. Nothing at all. It's all gone. Zero. Nothing there. Okay, so the second thing that I found out after I completely stopped oiling my scalp is that I don't need to oil my scalp because my scalp already produces a lot of oil. So I try to wash my hair on 3rd or 4th day, and if I'm unable to do that on 4th, then the 5th day is last. I don't go beyond that. But by then, my scalp already becomes really greasy and oily, and it becomes that oily, that much greasy that I am comfortable enough to call it nasty. It becomes absolutely nasty due to the accumulation of oils on there. That is the amount of oil that my scalp produces. So I don't think I need to apply any sort of hair oil externally to the scalp, as it produces so much oil on its own, as it can produce that amount of oil. But still, the scalp does feel a little dry. The hair around the root area does feel a little dry on the day I wash my hair, and everything becomes normal the day after. So my hair looks better on the 2nd day of the hair wash, or maybe the 1st day. If I wash my hair today, it's gonna look better tomorrow, because I'm not gonna have any volume whatsoever on the day I wash my hair due to the absence of any oil on there. And one last thing that I want to share with you guys about this not oiling the scalp sort of situation is that even in winters, when there's so much coldness and cold air and dryness around in the environment, my hair still doesn't get frizzy or dry because of the oil secretion that my scalp does. And do bear in mind, I constantly scatter it all around the hair length. I constantly am combing my hair. Like 3 or even 4 times, sometimes 4 times a day, so that all the oil that my scalp produces on its own, of course, because I'm not applying any from the outside, I'm always distributing it, right? By means of combing it regularly, so that the oil that is produced around the root area can be distributed uniformly across the hair length, so that the entire hair length is properly oiled and it does not get damaged at all. And that's about it. So the conclusion is, not oiling the scalp as much or as regularly may not be as bad as we thought, or I thought. I am really sorry, guys, if you were oiling your hair too much because I was telling you to. I'm really sorry, guys. I apologize for that. But I only told you guys that because I was myself doing that and it was giving me some benefits. I really didn't mean to hurt anyone's hair or anyone's scalp. I really apologize for that. But if you're going through a severe hair loss or dandruff, maybe completely stopping oiling your hair and your scalp can fix some things for you as well as it did for me. But with that being said, don't ever hit the subscribe button without first checking some of the other videos on the channel. And also do follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description, along with some other useful links such as the Alpha Army Discord server. But with that being said, I'll see you around.